Hi guys, welcome to my channel DevOps Cloud. Guys, in today's session, I will show you how to configure SonarQube on AWS EC2 instance. In AWS, we are choosing Amazon AMI, and guys, we can configure. So on like these methods, yes, we can configure by using Terraform also, and we can configure without a Terraform also. Right now, so I'll show you how to configure SonarQube on this method by using this method, and we can configure like this also. So I mean that, so we can create one instance and we can install Docker. We can install Docker on EC2 instance. Then we can pull the image, SonarQube image. Then we can create container. Then we can execute SonarQube on the browser. Okay, guys. Next one. So by using, see, this is the without Terraform. This is without Terraform, and this one is with the Terraform. With the Terraform, we are going to creating Terraform template. Then we are going to executing in the AWS EC2 instance. So for creating instance, we are going to writing script. Then we are going to start launching, and we are going to installing Docker. Then we are going to pulling the image from Docker registry to local Docker engine. Then we are going to creating container. Then we are launching SonarQube on the any one browser, but in my case I'm using Google Chrome. So this method we can use. Okay, so in another one, so this is another one. Just wait guys. So guys, this one by using Terraform script, we are going to developing Terraform script templates for creating EC2 instance, for installing Docker, and for installing Docker Compose. And we are going to writing one Docker Compose file to pull the image from Docker Hub to local, or else we can write the script uh, for building our Docker image, our own or our custom Docker image by Docker file. So in this case, here we are pulling the image, SonarQube image, to local Docker EC2 instance. Then we are going to writing one Docker Compose file. Then we are going to running the Docker Compose file. So by running the Docker Compose file, so what it will do that, yes, it will create a container. It will create a container, and it will install the required packages in the Docker container. Already we have created SonarQube, because we are getting the Docker SonarQube image from the Docker registry to local engine. So it's a ready-made SonarQube template. With the SonarQube image template, we are going to creating a container. Then we are running that container on the browser. We can see the output on the SonarQube. So next, another method. Yes, I'm going to preparing this PPT. I'll show you. Okay, in the next session. Okay, while configuring these methods, yes, I'll give you once again that explanation. Okay, guys. But right now we are going to configuring SonarQube on this EC2 instance. Okay, let me show you guys how to create instance. Okay, and how to create instance, and how to launch, and how to install SonarQube, and how to launch SonarQube on the EC2 instance. Now let me show you step by step. Yes guys, now be in your AWS console. So guys, this is my AWS console. Now I am launching one instance. Just wait. Yes, here I am naming SonarQube server. Next, here I am choosing Amazon Linux image, and here change that Amazon Linux to AMI HVM. Select this one, Just scroll this one and choose here to T3 medium. I am choosing T3 medium and key pair. If you don't have key pair, yes, you can create, or else if already you are having the key pair, yes, you can choose that. So I am choosing this DevOps project. Already have generated the key. Next, here coming to security networking port. Yes, here I am taking that all traffic, or else you can take that port number 22 and port number 9000. Port number 9000 and port number 22 you can choose. But in my case, I am choosing so all traffic. Just right. Okay. Now the default storage is enough. Okay, number of instances is one enough. Okay, that's it. Now launch instance. Just wait. Yes, successfully we launch it. Now click on that view all instances. Okay, just refresh here. See guys, we got SonarQube server, and again just refresh this one. It will take some time. Yes, now click on this one and click on connect. Yes, use SSH client and copy this one. Now come here where we kept that PEM key. So guys, in my case, I kept in my, see guys, the project, DevOps project PEM. Yes, now launch your Git bash, or else you can connect to Putty, or else you can connect to Mobexstream, any one SSH tool. Okay, but in my case, I'm using Git bash. Now paste here, hit the enter. Just apply YES. Yes, now be in the root user, sudo su. Yes, now update that m update hyphen y. There's nothing here update. Now, okay, here I have prepared documentation. Yes, go through this. So we have updated. Now I'm going to installing Java 17 Amazon. Okay, yes, now install. Just wait, guys. Just wait. Just wait. It will take some time. But actually it won't take this much time, but sometimes it will take. Yes guys, successfully we have installed Java space hyphen version. Okay, guys, we have installed Java 17. Okay, just follow this documentation. Okay, next, so we are sudo, just hit the enter. Now come here, just come to line number 108 and 112. Just wait guys. Yes, in 108 copy this one. So we are going to creating one user with the name of Sonar. Yes, yes, this is one. Next, come to 111. Yes, copy this one without password. We are applying. Okay. Yes, that's it. Escape. shift colon wq. Okay, now we have updated that file. Now we are going to installing PostgreSQL 14. Yes, successfully we have installed. Next, now we are going to install PostgreSQL server. Now we are going to starting the service, initiating PostgreSQL. Just wait, it will take some time. Now it's initiated. Now we are enabling for next reboot. Okay, to start service from next reboot automatically to start this PostgreSQL without starting manually. Okay, next. So we are going to doing the permission, allow access rights. Is come to page line number here. Listen, line number 60. Just remove this one. Be in the insert mode. Yes. Remove this one. Apply to access anywhere. Okay. Escape shift colon WQ. Now we are going to creating one configuration file. Yes. Let me start PostgreSQL service. Now we have created. Now we are entering into the PostgreSQL user. Yes. See. Cat slash etc passwd. So there is a user, PostgreSQL user. Now we are entering into that user. Yes, paste here. Now see, we are in PostgreSQL user. Now we are going to creating one database, and we are entering into the PostgreSQL. Okay, we have created successfully. Now we are altering the database with the CloudGen. Now we are altering password with CloudGen @123 for PostgreSQL. Now we are going to creating one SonarQube user, and we are giving the privileges to access database on the SonarQube user. Yes, copy this one and paste here. Successfully created and granted permission. Now we are coming out from the PostgreSQL, and we are coming out Postgres user also. Successfully we have configured. Now we are going to downloading SonarQube software. We are downloading and unzipping and renaming the software and moving to OPT SonarQube. Moving to what is that? OPT folder. Yes. Extracted. Yes, hit the enter. Now we can see. So we are in OPT folder. PWD. Now we are going to modifying this file, SonarQube properties file. Yes, copy this one. Yes. Now come to the line number 407 or 10. Yes. Be in the line number 410. Is copy here up to here. Yes. And be in the insert mode and paste here. Okay. Yes. Okay. Escape shift colon WQ. Now, okay. So we are going to creating Sonar user. Now we are going to creating one Sonar user. Yes, paste here. Yes, the username is Sonar and its password is, yes, I'm naming that cloudgen @123. Paste and again paste. Okay. Now successfully we have configured. Now we are giving the ownership permission to SonarQube directory with the Sonar user. Okay. Yes, we have given permission to Sonar user to access this SonarQube directory. Okay, successfully we have configured. Now we are going to creating one SonarQube service file. Yes, paste here and just apply insert button. Now copy here, take this one. Yes, copy this one. Sorry, up here only. Copy this one and paste here. Yes, escape, shift to colon, double click. Next, copy this one, paste here. That's almost okay. Okay. So here, this is the last one. No need this one because if you are going to configuring on premises, you have to use this one. Okay, and we have added port number. We have selected in the security group port number 22 and 9000, and but we have chosen that all traffic. Okay, so in the all traffic 22 also available and 9000 also available. That's enough. Now move to your AWS console. Now click on that instances. Now just wait. Yes, select this public IP address. Now move to browser and paste colon 9000. Then okay guys, it's launching. Just wait. Just wait. Just click on that form. Yes, the default login username is admin and password also admin. Login. Okay, no need. Now it's asking that new password. Yes, first of all apply that old password and apply the new password. So yes, in my case I am choosing yes cloudgen @123. Yes, retype password. Yes, update. Okay guys, successfully we launched SonarQube server with PostgreSQL database. Okay guys, so that's all in this session. Okay, and guys please subscribe, share and like my videos guys. Okay, thank you for your support. Thank you.